Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to solve this integral problem. So here first I'm going to tell you about the theorem, that is let's say an integral like this, the limit is 0 to a. So I can write this as 0 to a f this is a minus x dx. These two integrals are equals, so I'm going to use this property to solve this integral problem. So here 0 to 5, right? The a is similar to 5 here, so I can write x as here a minus x, so this is 5 minus x. 5 minus x times sine, now x is 5 minus x over 3 plus sine square x is 5 minus x dx is dx. So this is 0 to 5 minus x. I know that sine 5 minus x is sine x, right? Because sine 5 minus theta equals to sine theta. So this is sine x over 3 plus sine 5 minus x to the power 2, right? So this is sine 5 minus x is sine x, the square of it is sine square x dx. So I can write this like this: 0 to 5 sine x over 3 plus sine square x minus x sine x over 3 plus sine square x, right? dx. Let's say this integral is I, so this is also I, right? This is also I, alright. So I can write this as now I'm going to write this as two integrals. So this is 0 to 5 sine x over 3 plus sine square x minus 0 to 5 x sine x over 3 plus sine square x dx. This is what? This is also I, right? This is also I. So I can write this as I. So 2i, I can take this side to this side, so that is 2i. So this equals to 0 to 5. Since phi is a constant, I can take that out of the integral. So sine x, there is dx, right? Sorry. So sine x dx over 3 plus sine square x, right? So now I can write I is 5 over 2. I divide this 2 here, so this is 0 to 5 sine x dx over 3 plus sine square x, right? Okay, so now I'm going to take actually not going to take now I'm going to write 0 to 5 sine x over 3 since sine square plus cos square x is equals to 1, I can write sine square x is 1 minus cos square x, right? This is dx. So 5 over 2, 0 to 5 sine x over 3 plus 1 is 4 minus cos square x dx. So now I'm going to take a substitution like first I will take this as I2. So I2 is 0 to 5 sin x over 4 minus cos square x dx. So I will take cos x is t. So when x is equals to 0, t is 1, right? When x is 5, t is cos 5, this is minus 1. So this is when x is 0, this is 1. When x is 5, t is minus 1. Okay, so now I will differentiate both sides. So minus sin x dx is equals to dt. So here I can say that sin x dx is minus dt. So I can write here sin x dx is minus dt over 4 minus cos square x is t square, right? So I will change this as minus 1 to 1 dt. I multiplied minus by the limit, so the limit changes because of that. So this is 4 minus t square. I can write this as minus 1 to 1 dt over 2 minus t, 2 plus t. So this is what by partial fractions minus 1 to 1 2 minus t, 2 plus t. When I add these together, I will get 4, right? So there will not any t terms, so I will add them. So I will say this is 1 and this is 1, this is dt. When I add these together, I will get a 4 in upper side. So because of that, I will divide by 4. When I solve this, I will get this one, right? So this is 1 over 4. I will take a minus sign outside. So minus 1 to 1, 1 over t minus 2 dt plus 1 over 4 minus 1 to 1, 1 over t plus 2 dt, right? So this is minus 1 over 4. Differentiation of this term is 1, right? Differentiate of this term is 1, right? So the answer should be ln t minus 2, then the limits, plus 1 over 4 ln t plus 2, then the limits, minus 1 to 1. So this is 1 over 4. I will take 1 over 4 from both of them. So this is ln first 1 minus 2, right? 1 minus 2 is minus 1, but I am going to take the absolute value, so this is 1 ln 1 minus, then minus 1 minus 2, then this is minus 3. I am going to take the absolute value, so this is ln 3. I have to multiply each by negative sign, right? So there is a negative sign plus here I am going to take 1 plus 2, this is ln 3, right? This is ln 3 minus, then I am going to take minus 1 plus 2, this is ln 1, so this is ln 1. ln 1 is 0, right? This is 0. So ln 3 minus times minus plus 2 ln 3. So 1 over 2 ln 3. This is the answer for I2, right? But I won't the answer for I, right? This integral, I took it as I. So from this step I know I is 5 over 2 times I2. So I equals to 5 over 2 times I2. So I equals to 5 over 2 times 1 over 2 ln3. Then the answer is 5 over 4 ln3. This is the answer. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys understood what I did here. So if you guys have any problems, please comment below. Thank you for watching.